Hi guys. Before we proceed to the video, I would like to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. Here's the random shout out from my subscribers. Shout out, A.L. Juice, Raisin Save Donnie, Mukbang Lover TV, Elmer Gaming, Andre Gaming, Boba Milk Whitey Plays, Next Play Solid 12, Jammery. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag HarTzy. Want this?
I promise to build a new world.
Open Capcut. Select New Project. Select the video that you want to edit. Mute the clip audio. Add audio. And then extract the video into sound. I have the link of this video clip in the description. Okay, now let's add match cuts. I know that some of you guys are not very good at putting a match cut. Don't worry, we're just the same. Later I'll just put the durations on the screen. If you want to follow Era on TikTok, the link is in the description. Click the video. This white line should be in the match cut. Then press this freeze button to take the photo. Move the right side of the photo to the left, and make sure it fits to the second match cut. Do the same process with that first photo. Align the white line on the match cut, and press the freeze button to take a photo. Delete this clip and trim the photo just like that first process. Just like this. Do the same process with the other clips. And these are the durations. Okay, we are done with the durations. Delete the remaining clip at the end. Before we continue, please follow my TikTok account as well. I'm posting edit transitions here, and others I haven't done a tutorial on yet. Next we are going to add animations. Here's the animations.
I promise to build a new world for us.
Let's add effects.
I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. I pro- I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more.